who else is guilty of letting their bananas get a little too ripe? Next time, try this banana bread baked oatmeal that just requires a few ingredients. You will start by peeling your bananas and adding them to a bowl. The riper the banana, the better they will be for mashing. You can gently mash them with a fork until there are almost no lumps left. After that, you're going to add brown sugar, 2 eggs. Be sure to wash your hands after touching the eggs to avoid cross-contamination. Next, you will add salt, vanilla, baking powder, a little nutmeg and cinnamon, and whisk it all together. Next, you're going to add milk and whisk once more to combine all the ingredients until it is smooth. After this, you are going to add oatmeal and nuts. I use pecans, but walnuts would also be a great substitution. Finally, you are going to mix this all together until it is well combined and add it to a greased baking dish. Place the baking dish in a preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. Remove from the oven, serve warm, and enjoy. You'll find the recipe in the description, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.